The Philippines generates 2.7 million metric tons of plastic waste annually, and only about 9% of these are being recycled. Most of them leak into the environment to pollute our seas and lands. On the ground level, the problem stems from gaps in waste management, which includes segregation, collection, and diversion of plastic waste. These gaps have burdened communities in different landscapes, such as islands, coastal areas, and urban cities. By working with communities from different sectors, we have learned that each landscape type has its own unique challenges and solutions. The Philippines officially has 7,647 islands, about 2,000 of which are occupied. Celebrated among the country's most beautiful destinations, these marine biodiversity-rich islands attract locals and international tourists alike. However, some island communities lack plastic waste recycling facilities, and due to their remoteness from the mainland, they struggle with access to waste collection services. On top of that, they also face growing waste volumes, as waste comes not only from within their island, but drifts in from elsewhere. As waves of tourists also flood these areas in peak seasons, their waste also adds to the compounding pollution in the island.
Nung nagkaroon ng access sa Palawan yung Luzon, Greater Manila, Luzon and Visayas, because of the improvement of the transport, syempre dumami ang tao, lalong bumilis ang migration, so dala nito yung kultura, dala nito yung teknolohiya, dala nito yung mga pagbabagong nanggaling na sa kanila. So ang mga basura na nakikita natin sa ngayon, fast forward tayo, ito ay dala ng mga, sabihin natin, urbanisasyon na dati namang hindi ganun kabilis na nangyari dito sa amin.
Working with island communities highlighted the need for local interventions. Some of these measures include segregated collection systems and regular coastal cleanups. Communities developed plastic waste drop-off points and regularly transferred plastic waste to material recovery facilities or MRFs. Meanwhile, the residual waste would go to the municipal sanitary landfills. Collection also means developing transportation systems. For some islands, communities implemented the use of motorboats or bangka to ferry the waste from the island to the mainland. Communities also use motorcycles to reach far-flung areas that are not accessible to garbage trucks. These plastics would then be sent to recycling facilities. Central to these interventions is the collaborative spirit of different sectors, from households, waste workers, local government, small business owners, and volunteers. Some residents also work together to file petitions and position papers to recommend local policies on waste management, while some local officials have integrated waste management into their tourism and livelihood programs.
Dati po kasi ang aming barangay dito, siguro po pagdating sa mga kalinisan, hindi po talaga gaano noon. Pero po sa ngayon, siyempre po nagkakandak po ang aming barangay ng offline linis every month. Kaya po medyo po sa po ngayon, medyo maganda-ganda na rin po yung aming kapaligiran at kalikasan po. Sa kasi mga nakaraang mga taon, yung mga tao po kasi medyo hindi marunong mag-ayos ng basura, kung paano po nila i-segregate yung basura. Sa ngayon po, siyempre po, alam na po nila kasi unang-una po marami na po nagtitraining ng mga volunteers para iparating po sa mga mamamayan ng barangay.
Yung bawat isa po sa amin ay nagkakaroon ng pagkakaisa, pagtutulungan at nagkakaroon po ng disiplina sa sarili. And then, mas lalo po naiiwasan yung dapuan po tayo ng sakit, lalo na po yung dengue. Kasi pag hindi po natin i-segregate ng maayos yung basura, diyan po tayo malapit, madalas or lapitan ng mga kahit anong pong sakit. Kalusugan po talaga po yung pinaka-mahalaga.
Even with all these interventions, some challenges remain. These areas are in need of robust facilities that would recycle and divert the plastic waste collected. Some areas still need their own MRFs, effective waste segregation bins, and consistent capacity building sessions. One of the major challenges for initiatives that are nearing the end of their implementation is ensuring that the gains achieved, particularly those benefiting the community and the local government, can be effectively sustained. And at the beginning of every effective waste management system, the first step should be reduction or refusal of plastic use. As tourism grows, so does economic activity. So there should be measures to ensure that the systems progress with the island. On the part of the local leaders, They aim to continue implementing their solid waste management plans and awareness campaigns, as well as collaborate with sectors to generate support for their initiatives.
Pangarap ko sa Taytay na humaba pa ang kanyang kakayahan na masasabi ng bawat isa na kaya kaming buhayin ito. At ang aming primary livelihood, ang nagsusustain sa aming economy, sa aming pang-araw-araw na simpleng buhay, ay yung kung anong resources meron kami dito. Pangarap namin na ito na manatili. Hindi ito mabilisang masisira. At magagawa lamang ito kung ang lahat ng kanyang bundok, dagat, kapatagan, dalampasilog, lawa, kagubatan ay manatiling maganda ang kanyang integridad bilang isang ekosistema.